In this video, we will show you how to download, install, and activate your free copy of Cubase LE11 and Retrologue 2 as part of Audient Arc. This installation process works the same on both Mac and Windows. Start by heading to steinberg.net/getting started and either log in if you already have an account or create a new Steinberg user account by pressing the Create a Steinberg ID button. To create the account, all you need to do is put in your email address, create a password, and then read through and accept Steinberg's privacy policy. Before you can do anything, you'll need to verify the account, so head over to your email and you'll see a new one from Steinberg, inside which will be a verification code which you can copy and paste into the verification window. Now that you've logged into your Steinberg account, the website will prompt you to enter our download access code. This is the 25-digit code that we emailed you with when you redeemed the offer and was also displayed on the Arc website. You can simply copy and paste it and that will work just fine. When you've entered the code, press continue. On this next page, you'll have a green tick which shows that the registration was successful, and you'll also find unique activation codes for both Cubase LE and Retrologue 2. Keep these safe because we'll need these later. You'll also see download links underneath the codes. These are all links for the Steinberg Download Assistant, so just click on a single download link that's appropriate for your computer and then wait for the download to finish. Then run the Steinberg Download Assistant setup and follow the installation process through. Launch the Steinberg Download Assistant and then go to the Cubase tab on the left. Select Cubase LE11 and press the download button. Once this is completed, open and run the Cubase installer and follow the instructions through. This will also install the Steinberg eLicenser Control Center, which is used to activate your products. Now that we've installed Cubase, we can install Retrologue 2. So go to the VST Instruments and Plugins on the left in the Steinberg Download Assistant and select Retrologue 2. Once you've downloaded it, again open the installer and follow the instructions through. Now that both applications are installed, the last thing to do is activate them. So open the Steinberg eLicenser Control Center from your applications. Then copy the Cubase LE activation code from the web page earlier. Click Enter Activation Code and then paste it in. Select the eLicenser you would like to install it to, either a USB eLicenser if you have one, or the computer itself, and then press Download License. To activate Retrologue 2, follow the same step through using the Retrologue activation code. Now you have both Cubase 11 LE and Retrologue 2 installed on your computer, and you're ready to start creating.